you guess which animal is the loudest in the world and it's smaller than your thumb? Meet the cockatoo, a tiny, feisty marine creature called the pistol shrimp. It can make a sound so loud that it shatters glass and stuns prey with its snap. The noise it creates with its claw is louder than a jet engine and can reach up to 210 decibels. That's 3 times louder than a chainsaw. This little shrimp uses its powerful claw to create a bubble that generates intense sound when it bursts, stunning or even killing its prey instantly. And it's smaller than your thumb. Can you believe something so tiny can be that loud? What's the loudest thing you've ever heard? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more crazy animal facts.